Let me introduce you our 120 series two-chair sliding doors.
These sliding doors offer high water tightness, air tightness, wind resistance, thermal insulation, and sound insulation capabilities. With diamond mesh screen, effectively deterring insects and providing enhanced security against pests.
再来几下。
These door frames and leaves are kinetic using 45-degree continuous connectors. We utilize imported high-quality hardware accessory. The user-friendly handle designs offer convenient and flexible operation. These heavy-duty sliding doors feature two sets of parallel double wheel pulleys and transmission rods. Each single leaf has a load-bearing capacity exceeding 300 kilograms, ensuring smooth sliding.
Thanks for choosing our products. Please contact us for more information.